Ukrainian flock technologies company manufactures handheld flocking equipment, Applicators Profi and Mini. Handheld flocking applicator UFT Profi is specifically designed for flocking large-sized items and for serial production. Flocking applicator consists of the hopper for flock, the aluminum handle, the voltage regulator, the ground wire, the power unit, and power cable. There is a high voltage generator button on the handle, LED light which turns blue when the device is plugged in, the regulator to set up the voltage from 30 to 70 kV. The mesh conveniently attaches with magnets. The hopper is 3D printed, that makes it light and sturdy. The ground wire is 4 meters long. There is a connector on the end that clips onto the item that you are flocking. You can find a unique serial number on each applicator's handle.